All right, what is up, everybody? Today we are here in the master plan community of Inspirada here in Henderson, and we're taking a look at a home, brand new tri-point home located in the Strada development. It's got 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 3,483 square feet, and a downstairs master. So let's not waste any time. Let's go inside. A nice little patio over here. All right, here we are. So you walk right into dining area, living space right here. We'll start over here. Really, really nice and big windows. You know, one thing I really like is a nice bright home. If you want to darken it up, you get some blackout curtains. When a home is dark and gloomy, not a lot you can really do about that. So no shortage of light in here, natural light. I do like this light fixture that they have here. This blue color. I do like the look of the white cabinets. But if that's really a big deal, you could always paint all this stuff. Check out these countertops. Here's your stovetop. I mean, if you look around, there is not much wear and tear at all, if any. This home is not even 6 months old. And it sure does feel like it. It feels like we're walking through the model. Obviously different upgrades. Oh, I didn't even need to touch that. Light turned on. It looks like it's motion activated. So the pantry runs beneath the staircase, which is nice. Making good use of all that space. Dishwasher is going to be in the island. And I do like how we have this L shape for the island. There's your sink, nice and deep. I would have liked for this to have been stainless steel, but hey, doesn't bother me. There's your fridge. And then you've got your oven with your built-in microwave to the right of it. And let's take a look at this area over here. I gotta say, this is probably one of my favorite parts of this house. You've got sliders that bring you out into the courtyard. And on the side of the house, of course, don't have anybody here. Matter of fact, let me see if I can reach over. Little walkway. So you got a bit of separation right there between the two houses. Of course, you can go for a walk, head back out to main road over there. But I do like how we've got a ceiling fan over here. I mean, weather's gorgeous today. Wouldn't mind hanging out over here, having some coffee. In one of the perks, obviously you buy brand new, all this would be dirt. So landscaping has already been done. This is some artificial turf. And then we got some nice plants over here with plenty of space to add more. So we've got paver walkway, and then that'll take you to the other side of the home, but we've got side access. I'll just walk over here so you guys can see. Obviously trash comes on this side, so you can just roll the bins back in here. We'll make our way to that side of the home once we finish everything else. It's pretty quiet out here too. And then we've got sliders into the master bedroom. We're gonna make our way there once we finish the rest of the house. So as you guys know, this is a Plan 3. So the master is going to be down here. You got stairs that lead you to the second floor of the home. And this right here, we've got a den. So it appears that what you can do, I know in the model, they've got the glass slider that kind of gives you a bit of an entrance into the den. This is kind of just, you can see it's used as like an office or something. Or stage does that. Not really a lot to use on that desk. Recessed lighting here in the den area. I'm not sure if Pointe offers that option for the glass sliders. Sometimes an option like that the builder will showcase in their model home, but that's something you would have to get done third party. Regardless, there's the space to do whatever you want there. Here you got your powder. That same blue color carries throughout the house, which it's kind of growing on me. I like it. Nice mirror. Right here, you've got your garage door. This is gonna be your laundry room. Let's get some lights on in here. Wow, it smells good here. It smells fresh. Pretty good size for a laundry room. And then right here, we'll walk right into the garage. 2-car garage, of course, but we've got a bit of bay right here. I guess you could say it's tandem. You've got some really, really good space. I mean, even if you just have 2 cars, storage for whatever you need. Obviously, your water heater is going to be in that back corner. And then you've got your water softener, water treatment system over there. All right, let's get back inside. All right, to the right of the garage door, you've got coat closet. And then you've got your panel right there for all your internet, Cat 5, Cat 6. Right there, they've got their router. A lot of the newer homes have this, which is really nice to keep all your stuff organized, especially when you have high-speed internet or fiber. A lot of cords, a lot of cables to hide. Let me get in the corner. Take a look at this. I do love this master. Sliders into the courtyard. I think that has to be my favorite part about this room. Open this bad boy up. You know what, never mind. We were already out there. I like this flooring. You either like it or you don't, but I think it looks really nice. Obviously, we've got dual walk-in closets, recessed lighting in the walk-in closet. To the right, you've got the other one. Lots of space, but I'm sure that'll get filled out. All right, here is the master bathroom. So we're gonna do a quick 360. Got a little makeup counter right here. First sink. Really, really big shower with rainfall. I do like how you have a bench on this side. Your drying area with another bench. And you know what? I really do love these showers. This is a really, really nice shower. And then you have your other sink. Take a look to the right. Here is your toilet. All right, let's go take a look at the upstairs. Oh, what a nice day. Nice, bright. Now, first thing I'm gonna take a look at once we get upstairs, we do have a balcony on the front of the house, where the front door is. On the second level, of course. I do want to take a look at that view. Of course, we've got this loft area right when we make our way upstairs. And I do like these windows right here. Again, letting a ton of natural light in. You can see the courtyard just a little bit. There's that walkway. I mean, even from the second floor, I can't even see the actual walkway itself. I had to stick my arm over the wall just to see it when we were in the courtyard. All right, make our way to the front. So we've got 2 bedrooms over here. Linen closet. All right, let's take a look at this balcony that we've got over here. There's a closet, walk-in closet, but we'll take a look at that in just a moment. All right. Wow. Sure is nice. So in the photos, they had a grill set up over here, which is actually pretty cool. So you got a nice amount of space over here. It isn't the biggest, but I mean, this is perfect for me. A little narrow over there towards the front of the house, but you got a bit more space. Kind of opens up over here. You probably have space for a patio set. All to have a high table right here with some bar stools. But yeah, take a look at this view. So all that's going to be built out eventually. They've got a really, really cool townhome development by Toll Brothers being built out right here at this dirt lot. Homes behind that are KB. Of course, you've got Tri-Point all over here. Pretty quiet over here. I mean, obviously you get a couple cars driving here and there, but I mean, that's kind of what you get when you're right next to a street, right? Back inside. Oh, I will point out all the rooms do have ceiling fans, which is nice. Here's your walk-in. Isn't the biggest, but gets the job done. All right, bedroom number 3. Pretty similar in size. Obviously, you don't have sliders into a balcony in this room, and you don't have a walk-in closet. So, pretty standard. Let's walk into the bathroom. You got double sinks, so the people in these rooms don't have to fight about who's using what. And of course, this is a full bathroom, so you do have your tub and shower. All right, let's make our way back to the other side of the house. This home shows great. I will say that. I mean, even if we're comparing to the model, the Plan 3, I mean, this feels practically the same. Obviously, we're looking at different upgrades, potentially a couple $100,000 difference in upgrades, but I love what they've done to this house. Same fixtures as the other bathroom. I do like how everything's the same throughout the house. Sometimes people will pay for upgrades in one part of the house and then cheap out and do very basic options everywhere else. This room's a little bigger than the other 2 on this level. And then you've got a couple windows, let some light in. And there's your view. So as you can see back here, I'll take a view once I get outside, but that's gonna be their other development, Arden, different style homes. But you guys will see in just a moment here. All right, let's get outside. I'll show you guys the garage side of this home. Okay, here is the back side of the house. Guess you can call it the garage side. So, as we saw from the courtyard, there's gonna be side gate access. What I do like is that there's a Ring doorbell right here. So if you were to have visitors that didn't park on the front side of your house, they parked right here, you can go ahead and ring your doorbell right there. And you can go ahead and bring them in. So excuse the construction noise. Of course, they're still building here, close to completing this community. But as you can see, we've got these other homes over here. Arden. Let's take a quick look at this little walkway that we've got. So I do like how this lot in particular is right next to this walkway. So no matter where any guests, friends, or family park, they can walk right down to the other side of the house with ease.